The disadvantages of AI and generative AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, has transformed industries and everyday life with its innovative capabilities, from automating tasks to enhancing decision-making processes. However, the rapid development and implementation of AI, particularly generative AI, come with significant challenges and disadvantages that must be critically analyzed. While AI undoubtedly offers many benefits, it also raises ethical, economic, and social concerns. Understanding these drawbacks is essential to managing AI responsibly and ensuring that its use leads to positive outcomes for society. 1. Job displacement and economic disruption. One of the most significant disadvantages of AI is its potential to cause widespread job displacement. As AI systems automate tasks that were traditionally performed by humans, many industries face the risk of layoffs and unemployment. In manufacturing, for instance, robotics and AI-driven machinery can replace human labor, leading to economic instability for workers. Similarly, AI systems used in administrative, legal, and financial services are increasingly replacing jobs that involve data entry, analysis, and customer service. Generative AI, which can create text, images, and even entire videos autonomously, poses a unique threat to creative industries. Graphic designers, writers, artists, and other professionals who rely on creativity may find themselves competing with AI systems that can produce content faster and at a lower cost. This could diminish job opportunities in fields that were once considered immune to automation. 2. Bias and ethical issues. AI systems, including generative models, are often trained on vast datasets that reflect societal biases and inequalities. As a result, AI can perpetuate and even amplify these biases. For example, facial recognition technologies have been found to exhibit racial and gender biases, leading to potential misuse and discrimination. AI-driven decisions in hiring, lending, and law enforcement can be skewed by these biases, disproportionately affecting marginalized communities. Generative AI, which relies on large language models and image synthesis, can generate content that reflects harmful stereotypes or misinformation. This becomes particularly dangerous when AI-generated content is indistinguishable from that produced by humans, making it difficult to verify the authenticity of information. The ethical dilemma of biased AI systems and the potential for generating harmful content remains a critical concern for society. 3. Loss of human creativity and critical thinking. Generative AI systems are capable of creating everything from art and music to news articles and research papers. While this might seem like a technological breakthrough, it raises concerns about the future of human creativity and critical thinking. As AI systems become more advanced, there is a risk that people will become overly reliant on them for creative and intellectual tasks, leading to a decline in human ingenuity. For instance, students may use AI-generated essays instead of writing their own, or businesses might turn to AI for marketing campaigns rather than relying on human creativity. This over-reliance on AI could stifle individual thought and innovation, resulting in a less intellectually vibrant society. 4. Security and privacy concerns. The use of AI in surveillance and data analysis raises significant security and privacy issues. AI systems have the ability to collect and process massive amounts of data, which can be used to monitor individuals' behavior, track their movements, and even predict their future actions. While this may have applications in law enforcement and national security, it also threatens personal privacy and civil liberties. Generative AI presents a particular challenge in the realm of misinformation and deepfakes. With the ability to create hyper-realistic images, videos, and audio, generative AI can be used to fabricate content that deceives the public, manipulates political opinions, or tarnishes the reputation of individuals and organizations. The rise of deepfakes has already led to concerns about electoral interference, corporate fraud, and identity theft. Without effective countermeasures, AI-generated content could undermine trust in online information and create widespread confusion. 5. Energy consumption and environmental impact. AI systems, especially generative AI models, require significant computational power to train and operate. The environmental impact of this is substantial, as the energy consumption of large AI models contributes to carbon emissions and the depletion of natural resources. Training a single AI model can consume as much energy as an entire city over the course of several months. As AI becomes more widespread, its environmental footprint will grow, contributing to global challenges like climate change. The high energy demand of generative AI is particularly concerning because these models often need to be retrained or fine-tuned regularly to stay relevant. The trade-off between technological advancement and environmental sustainability is a pressing issue that needs to be addressed as AI systems continue to evolve. 6. Unpredictable and uncontrollable outcomes. AI systems, especially those based on machine learning, operate in ways that are often not fully understood even by their creators. This unpredictability can lead to unintended consequences, especially in complex systems where AI plays a critical role. For example, an AI system used in healthcare might recommend an incorrect treatment due to an unseen flaw in its training data, or a self-driving car may make a dangerous decision based on an edge case not encountered during its development. Generative AI systems, when given free rein, can produce content that is inappropriate, offensive, or factually incorrect. For instance, a generative AI model could create harmful or misleading narratives that spread misinformation or reinforce harmful ideologies. The difficulty of controlling and predicting AI behavior poses significant risks, especially in critical applications such as healthcare, legal systems, and autonomous vehicles. 7. Erosion of accountability and human oversight. The increasing reliance on AI systems in decision-making processes has led to a decrease in human oversight and accountability. As AI takes on more responsibilities, there is a risk that humans will defer too much authority to machines, leading to a lack of transparency in critical decisions. In some cases, it may be difficult to determine who is responsible for errors or harmful outcomes when AI systems are involved. Generative AI can further complicate accountability issues, especially when it comes to ownership of AI-generated content. If an AI system produces an original piece of art or a new invention, questions arise about who owns the intellectual property: the person who designed the AI system, the user who prompted it, or the AI itself. These unresolved legal and ethical dilemmas highlight the need for stronger regulations and governance surrounding AI use. Conclusion: while AI and generative AI offer tremendous potential to revolutionize industries, improve efficiency, and drive innovation, they also present significant disadvantages that cannot be ignored. From job displacement and ethical concerns to security risks and environmental impacts, the challenges of AI are as far-reaching as its benefits. To ensure that AI development leads to positive societal outcomes, it is essential to address these disadvantages through responsible AI governance, regulation, and ongoing ethical debate. Society must strike a balance between leveraging the benefits of AI and mitigating its risks to ensure a future where AI serves humanity rather than undermines it. Thanks for watching, and next time you pick up your phone, think about how you can make it work for you.